How to make your profile private in T3 Arena. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you don't want other players freely viewing your profile, stats or match history, you can adjust your privacy settings inside the game. So here's how you do it. First, launch the T3 Arena game on your mobile device or your tablet and wait for the main lobby screen to load. From your lobby page, go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the 3 horizontal menu button. From the expanded menu, click Options. Under Options, tap Account. Make sure you're inside Privacy Settings and under Privacy Settings, tap on the Off button right next to Allow others to view your profile. Once you have these settings turned off, you'll be able to keep your profile private. Ask a friend to view it to confirm that your info is now limited or hidden. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.